Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to prepare for the next lecture in where we are going to make so that when we pick a package it disappears. So first of all, what we like to do is like the package. Yes, it's the package. Let us duplicate it sometimes. Control D. Control D. Duplicate it. Add some over here. Oh wait, let me duplicate another one. And one over here. Can control G one over here. Let's delete this one because I think it's extra. Delete. Let's add this to settings. Okay. Added one of them. Let's add this one too. Let's add this one too. So now we've duplicated them. Now let's choose a place for our customer. Oh, also let's put it to 1. And no, we can put it over in front of some house. Yeah, here is good. Also, let's make them a little bit bigger. Yes. Oh, we have 4 of them. Let me delete it. Delete. Make it bigger. Then let's make this one bigger too. Okay, so now let's make this one bigger too. Okay, so remember what we used the circle for? I think we don't need it, but I'm just gonna put it over here. So, okay, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.